Nowadays I'm hustling outside the box. From where I was, nigga, I'm better like I pull out my socks. As a man, you gotta be wise. You gotta think wise.
New parts. Okay, so on the Excel, I'm going to use Revolve best. So I'm going to click on Sketch. Okay, on there, I can just choose the front plane and my normal right here. And I'm going to, let me just draw a rectangle here. So this is the rectangle. Go to Smart Dimension. And I need this to have a length of 6,5, right? So 6,5, click enter. And here I need 98 and you click enter. Okay, like this. And I need to add a rectangle right here. I need this is the center. Yes. I need it to be here. No, let me just select the center rectangle. I think it's best right here. Okay, so now what I need to do, I just need it to be like this. Okay, so the length of this, I need it to be 60. So Smart Dimension, select 60 here and you click enter. And now I need this length to be 4. So since my rectangle is symmetrical, I'm just going to click here and just select 8. Okay, so that when I trim, I'm going to get 4. Okay, now we're going to trim this line, this line, this line. Okay, this line, this line, this line, this line. Yes, I want to trim it. Okay. Okay, so I've realized that this should be 3. Okay, not 4. So let's choose 3. Okay, so it's now 3. Yes. And now what we're going to do, go to features, Revolve base. So now what you have to choose a baseline. So I'm going to choose this line, click OK. And if we do that, you can see we now have our Excel. And what's left on the Excel, let's add some chamfer here. So go to features. On fillet, we need a chamfer here. So I'm just going to click here. And I just need it to be, let me select the distance of, I think 2 is enough. Okay, let's see 2. Yeah, 2 is good. Click here, go to the opposite side, do the same. Okay, so chamfer 2, still 2. Okay, so that's my Excel. Okay, if you want, you can change the color of a material right here. You can just choose. We have a list of materials, appearance. Okay, so we have metal, we have plastics. You can choose on steel. Okay, so as you can see, we have types of steel. So let me just choose brushed. And if you select, you can see now you have a brushed. Okay. And now, once again, click Save As and make sure Save as copy.